my crafty fam, and if you're new to my channel, welcome! So today I'm going to be answering one of the most asked questions on my channel. Why didn't I just paint the vase yellow before adding the blue roses? And I know, it seems very simple, right? Why not just paint the vase? Now to give a little bit of back history, let me explain to you what video I'm speaking about. I made a vase for my younger sister using the decoupage technique, where I did a base coat of white on the vase, and then I added all the roses to it, the blue roses to it. And then I added the yellow paint, and so I had to go around the roses, and it seemed like I was doing more work than I needed to. Well, there's a reason for that, and this video will explain why. And this is also the first episode of our new series called Back to Basics.
Welcome back to DIY No Need to Cry with Ivelisse. Let's get started. I'm going to start by prepping some paper napkins that I will use to demonstrate all the reasons it's best to decoupage over a white base. Once they're all cut out, remove all the extra plies of paper. This step prevents it from wrinkling when you decoupage it onto your surface. As you can see, this makes the paper napkin design thin and translucent. See how you can see my fingers through the rows? This one still has all the plies of paper. See how you can barely see my fingers? But once I remove the plies, it becomes thin and translucent. First, I'm going to decoupage one of each color onto a white base. I want to be able to give you a comparison. Now I will paint 6 colors onto this paper, going from lightest to darkest. Once that's dry, I can decoupage all the roses onto all the different colors. Now that everything is dry, you can see why it is best to decoupage onto a white base. Look how pretty and defined the roses are on the white base. You can see all the white details and the color of the roses pop. If you look over to the colored base ones, not so much. The dark colors really takes away from the roses. As you can see, the darker the base, the worse it looks. These are the exact same roses, and look at the difference. Do you see what would have happened if I painted the vase yellow and then added the roses? They wouldn't have looked so defined and popped out as they do on the white base. This one is okay because it's almost white, so it works. There is an exception to the rule. If the paint is light enough and you like the look, go for it. Also, if you use something other than paper napkins to decoupage with, it could work.
Well, my crafty fam, now you know why you can't paint the vase before adding the roses. What a big difference it makes, right? Well, one thing you should know is that there is exceptions to this rule. For instance, as you saw, if it's a lighter paint, you could get away with it. The only way to find out is to test it before making your project. As I always tell everybody, take a glass jar, like a peanut butter jar or a pickle jar, something that you're not using, and test it out on that before doing your project. I always do that just to make sure. Also, there is a way. I'm not sure how to do it. I don't know the actual technique, but there is a way to give the napkins a base coat of white on the actual napkin so that when you decoupage it onto whatever surface you're going to decoupage it onto, you won't be able to see through. It'll already have the white base. I don't know how to do that technique, but if I learn it, and whomever I learn it from, I will let you know and direct you to them myself. All right, you guys. Well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned from it, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching and all of your support. I hope all of you are doing well. God bless you all. And remember to always have fun, be creative, and make a mess. Bye!
Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs it up as it helps the growth of the channel and to show your support. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing to get updates on future videos. And remember, do it yourself. There's no need to cry.